Where is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in San Jose? We work with people wanting to settle down in the South Bay from all over the world. And one of the #1 questions I get asked is, if I want to be close to the big tech companies with some good schools and have a budget under 2.5 million, where should I buy a single family house? In today's video, I'm going to show you why people choose to be in Cambrian, San Jose and what there is to do around. We begin by one of the nicest plazas out here, which is only 1 mile away. This is called a prune yard in Campbell. Because Cambrian borders Campbell, you get all of the action that happens here. Prune yard has some amazing popular choices that people come from all over the bay to experience. You have Orchard City Kitchen, which routinely changes their menu and has some of the best brunch you can find. If you want a bit more festivity, go to Luna Kitchen. Perhaps you want teppanyaki style Japanese food, go visit Kyoto Palace. Or maybe you want to experience some fine dining steak at Beefsteak. You can see this place has all sorts of dining options for both casual and business moods. In this plaza and nearby, you have Trader Joe's and a Whole Foods market, which is right across the street from one another. Now let's talk about Cambrian as an area. Most of these homes are going to be single family here with a median at $2.075 million. Occasionally, you have some smaller condos between 5 to 700K that are built in the 70s and 80s. I'm going to be showcasing one of my listings so you can get an idea of some of the floor plans that are around here. Welcome to 1983 Elden Drive, San Jose. This is our newest listing. Let's go take a look inside this 4-bed, 3-bath home. Let's talk about a few of the highlights I love about this place. From the outside, you have a picturesque elevation and facade. In the inside, you got beautiful windows overlooking a stunning backyard. Next, all of the rooms are very well lit, so you're gonna have a lot of natural light that comes in. As we got the home ready to go on the market, we replaced it with all new appliances. So you got a newer microwave, newer dishwasher, and a new stainless steel oven. One of the great things about this home, which is very uncommon in the area, especially when it comes to 2-story homes, is that you're gonna have 2 full-size bedrooms downstairs, and you're gonna have 2 full bathrooms downstairs, which means you have an ensuite on the ground level. And so this is perfect for those that have families that visit, or they have parents that wanna stay on the ground level to not go up the flight of stairs. At the same time, you still got a nice sectioned out formal dining room. You got a separate living room and family room, a beautiful kitchen with granite counters, and a eat-in kitchen area right behind me. Around the corner here, you got a huge pantry and a large indoor laundry room with storage. Now, we replaced a lot of fixtures of this place and we repainted the interior of the home. We also added new carpets for the staircase and upstairs for all of the bedrooms. There was also a lot of flooring that we got restained and replaced, so that is perfect for the new people moving into the place. Enjoy the yard space? You gotta check out all of this wonderful space, excellent for entertaining guests. My clients also have a lot of productive fruit trees. You got orange trees, you got lemon, and you got plum. Now the price on this home is listed just under $2 million, so visit the link below for more information. And then if you're looking to sell or buy a house anywhere in the Bay Area, my team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. We'll see you in the next video.